Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the Bluetooth enable disable button is missing on your Windows, then watch this video for the solution. The first solution is to restart the Bluetooth support service. For that we'll go to services and we'll look for the Bluetooth support service. Here it is. Right click on it, click on properties first, and then we will change the startup type to automatic. Click on apply and then OK. Then we will right click on it and either click on start. If it's started, then click on restart. Click on yes. And once that is done, we will now look if the Bluetooth is visible in the device manager. Now it's visible for me, but if it isn't for you, then what you need to do is click on Bluetooth and then click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. And it should be visible. If it's still not visible, we need not worry. All we have to do is just download the Intel Bluetooth drivers and we will install it manually. All right, and we see the first link here. Right, so we'll see this available downloads for Windows 11 10 64-bit and we'll download it. But make sure that your system type is the 64-bit. For that you need to go to system information and then see the system type. Mine is a 64-bit system, but if it's x86 here, then you need to download the 32-bit. So you'll have to search for that, but since mine is a 64-bit, I'll download this and it is downloading. Now once it is downloaded, I'll just open the folder, right click on it and see if I can run it as administrator. Perfect. And then we'll click on next and wait for this to install. Next, accept the license agreement, and then you can click on typical or you can click on complete, install, and it will take some time in installing, but once it installs you should definitely see the Bluetooth button in the Windows. But first let's check with the device manager once this installs. All right, and once this installs we can definitely see in the device manager that the Bluetooth will be visible, and once that is visible, then I'm definitely sure that you can see it in this tab also. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.